Are you constantly checking your phone for feedback on selling your house? Or wondering when the right offer will finally come through? What if I told you that a shift in your mindset is what it could take to help you get those negative vibes and bring in some positive thinking when it comes time to sell your house? Today, I'm going to share 10 powerful and positive affirmations to sell your house quickly so that you're not constantly looking at that phone, so that you can shift from stressed and doubting to confidence and sold. If you're selling your house soon and want a smooth, successful sale, stay with me and say these out loud. Hey there, welcome back, home sellers. My name is Kasha and I am your favorite occupied home staging specialist. And today we are talking about positive sayings, positive affirmations to give you the confidence and the positivity, get rid of that stress, that negativity that's probably floating around when you're selling your house. And that's why I want to give you something just to think about, say out loud. And I've only got 10 of them, so this is not going to take very long. What I want you to do is just turn everything off, have a seat, sit in a corner, maybe in your favorite armchair, maybe on the couch, someplace comfortable. Maybe you're sitting in your car and you're listening to this, okay? This is the chance to breathe, slow down as you get your house ready to sell, because I know staging your house and getting everything ready can just feel so complicated and cluttered. There's just so much stuff to do, but now is the time to just relax, breathe. I know this is the time to do that. So let me get into these. Now what I want you to do is when I say one, I'm going to pause in between them. I want you to say it out loud so that whatever I say it out loud, or maybe just say it in your mind, just to get you thinking in the right direction to sell your house. Okay? So let's start with number 1. My home is attracting the perfect buyer right now. The right buyer sees the full value and beauty of my home. You've worked so hard to get it ready, right? My home stands out in the market and makes a lasting impression. Yes, you've worked so hard. Buyers feel welcomed, comfortable, and excited when they walk through the door. My home is priced right and positioned to sell quickly. Every showing brings me closer to the perfect offer. My home feels fresh, inviting, and move-in ready. I trust the process and know my home is selling at the right time. I release stress and welcome a smooth, successful sale. I am grateful for a strong offer and a seamless closing. If you need to, maybe rewind, re-say these sayings, put them in your mind. Do this daily if you need to. This is just a great way to release the stress, release the doubt, get confident about all the work that you have done to get your house ready to sell. I know if you've followed along and have gotten my free home staging guide, you've done all the work, you've gotten everything staged, put away, decluttered, cleaned, and now you are ready to release your house to someone who is going to appreciate it and love it just like you did. This is the time to say these over again, maybe say this daily until you get your house sold, okay? So I hope this puts you in a stress-free mood, calm, collected, and I wish you the best of luck, and I am rooting for you on this side. All right, I hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.